Hey everybody, Jeff Casmer here. It is Thursday morning in Chicago and it is brisk and nippy out as we start to delve in deeper into the fall and soon to be winter months. And of course, anybody who's in the Chicago area knows it can be bad. But the beauty of the time of season is that it is rocking and rolling and making money online. I'm your host today. I've been making money online for 18 years. If you're interested in subscribing to our channel, this is your first visit, please subscribe there. Please also like and comment on the video if you found the content very, very helpful. You can also follow me on Facebook as my name. I also have a specific page just dedicated to the business that I just recently started, and you can find me there as well. And of course, I'm on Instagram and all the other good stuff. So today, the topic is I love Swipetrades. As you know, for people who have been following me, I am a Forex trader with IMarketsLive and a network marketer. And I do both components of the business. And the reason I do the network marketing component is I've been making money online for 18 years and I really like helping people. But most people make more money trading than they do in the network marketing component. But I enjoy bringing people on board and helping them change their lives. And so that's the purpose of why I do these videos. So the topic today is I love Swipetrades. The reason I wanted to do the video this morning, and it's about 8:30 here in Chicago, is the phone's been blowing up with Swipetrades. So for those who might be in the company or outside the company, we just had a conference in Miami, and Swipetrades is getting ready to roll out a couple things, Swipetrades 3.0, Swipetrades Plus. So there was a little downtime in the Swipetrades app, and we weren't getting as many Swipetrades as they start to make this transition to new improved. Well, new improved, I mean, it was already outstanding. We have thousands and thousands of customers that just come on board to trade Forex using the Swipetrades app and make tons of money. Did you hear that? We have tons of people that just come on board and use the Swipetrades app to make tons of money. They don't want to learn how to trade. They don't want to know how to read a chart. They don't want to recruit anybody into the company. They just swipe trade. That's the beauty. That's the reason I came on board this company. So I want to give you just a quick peek. Okay, let me go here. Let me go here. Okay, this is my Gmails. Now, the beauty is every time you get a swipe through here, okay, and that's a typical swipe trade that comes in, and let me hit that green arrow, and then it kind of gives you the information on the trade. Okay, if it comes in clear, there we go. Entry price, what pair, stop loss, all that good stuff, the risk. Okay, the beauty of it is you also get an email, right? So let's say the phone's in the other room charging, you're on the PC, and a swipe trade gets in. Bam! So we've been blowing up. So just to give you an idea, because people ask about number of swipe trades, it's really not about the number, but here, just let me kind of give you a clue here. Okay? And then let me go to the next page. Okay? And let me move my big face over here. Okay? Swipes. 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 You get the idea? There's lots of swipe trades, okay? So, let me get right back to the front page here. And sometimes, well, not sometimes, a lot of times, you get a big old swipe that says, BAM! 50 pip update, right? So that gives you the trade, and it gives you the risk, and then it tells you that they're up 50 pips, right? And then they give you some instructions. Close some positions down, move stop loss, boom, boom, boom. So that's the beauty of swipe trades. They give you every step. You don't have to be a rocket science. So let me just show you the last trade that came in. And that's kind of the one on my phone. See, it kind of gives you all the information, right? Gives you the symbol, the time frame on the chart, which is 4 hours, the type of order, sell stop, the entry price, what your risk should be. For example, if you started your account with $1,000, all right, stop loss, three take profits, and then who took the trade. And Papa Smurf is a beast. And then it gives you kind of some information on the trade, and it does it in multiple languages. I mean, you can't beat that, right? So it just blows you away. I mean, I say this in almost every video. Swipetrades is absolutely fantastic. It is perfect for the novice. When I started over a year ago, and I have a ton of experience online, I knew nothing about Forex, okay? The only thing I thought about Forex was FX, means Forex. I didn't even know what Forex stood for, all right? And then I saw the Swipetrades app, and that wanted me to get on board. I'm like, wait a minute, I can do this. I'm a fairly smart dude. I can copy and paste, right? The entry price, stop loss, take profit. I can read notes. That's how easy it is. Now, people sometimes ask, usually if it's that easy, it's too good to be true. Wrong. You're 100% wrong, and you're looking for an excuse not to do it, right? So on this, for example, in this trade, right, all you're doing is copying the stop loss. See this little button right here? Let's see if I can get it up here. Okay, right here. That's how it copies, right? You're going to copy the link and copy the number, and you're just going to open up a Metaphor Trader app, which is an app on your phone, and you're going to enter in that number. That's all you're going to do. You're going to enter in some numbers. Literally, you can swipe trade within 3 minutes. Now, we don't recommend you do live right away when you become a customer. No, we want to make sure that you're copying and pasting correctly. So we call it demo trading. It's kind of trading with fake money until you're comfortable and you're ready to go. Some people could do that in a day. Some people need a month. That's totally up to them. I got customers who started 24 hours after they signed up, and I've got customers who started trading with live money 1 month after, right? The beauty about the IML membership is you can make money trading Forex and start to learn with the other tools and strategies that IML has to offer, which is blown away. Our specific group has an 8-figure and a 6-figure trader that are part of our team that will have weekly webinars to tell you trade setups, meaning trades that they're looking for, when to get in, all that good stuff. You can't pay a financial advisor or get a CD at a bank at 3% and make that kind of money, right? And I keep saying this in a lot of videos, I haven't even gotten to any of the other tools yet, just to give you a brief synopsis, and I'm going to do that. It is on my list of things to do. But if you're interested in becoming a member of our team and learning how easy it is to swipe trade and make money, then what you need to do is you need to reach me through Facebook, right? And we can connect you and get you inside of our group. We have a group that's specifically our team. And you can get added to the group, and it's our team and prospective customers. And you can be in the group 6 months without making a decision to become a member of IMarketsLive, or 3 days, or 6 hours, and say you're in. So, and you can see all the things that we do. You can, we don't give you all the secret sauce, but we kind of show you what our team is about and go over the products and answer any questions that you might have. Then, if you decide to become a member, you'd come back to me, I'd give you a link, and then you sign up, and then we get you inside, yes, our team group, only our team. That's where we have an 8-figure trader and a 6-figure trader doing weekly webinars, and that's only part of it. And this is on top of all the great stuff that you get inside the memberships. Let me not, forget about the actual membership will blow you away. They've released several new tools, Pips Talk, the Gold Cup, Teacup strategy. They're about to unleash Pips Swipetrades Plus for even more swipes. There's all kinds of stuff. It's really a life-changing decision that I made, and it gets my juices flowing. So I love trading, and I love helping people to trade. So if you're interested, please get back to me, reach me on Facebook, leave a comment here, whatever it takes, and we'll get you inside the group. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it, if you found this helpful. Some comments, please, would love it. Our subscriber base continues to rise each and every day, and that's because we're impacting lives. So if you want me to help you, if you want me to help you change your life, get back to me. See ya.